Urine dipstick is a very useful and non-invasive test that can be utilized to confirm, along with your clinical symptoms, certain medical conditions.
Take a reagent strip from the pot. Replace the lid so that no air gets into the pot, because this can affect the remaining reagent strip.
Most convenient way, if you're doing it at home, is do it the first thing in the morning when you're with a full bladder. So you discard the first 10-20 ml of urine that passes out and actually dip this urine dipstick into the stream of the rest of the urine, and that's it.
Lay it down on a flat surface.
Give it about 45 seconds to a minute's time for the full color effect to present itself before comparing to the color chart.
Depending on the parameter, different ones take different times to develop. Some of them will develop in 30 seconds, some of them 40, 60. You want to compare the color on your strip to the color on this color chart and just look and see which color on this color chart is the closest match to the color on your strip.